Welcome. Today, we venture into the world of backyard chickens, a world teeming with life, sustainability, and the chance to reconnect with nature right at our doorsteps. Each morning, a simple ritual awaits, quietly connecting us to the rhythms of the land. As the sun rises and the world slowly wakes, you gather fresh, warm eggs nestled in straw. These eggs are more than just breakfast. They're a symbol of self-sufficiency, a daily reminder of the care you give, and a tangible reward for your efforts. Each egg, a tiny masterpiece, is nature's perfect gift, waiting to be savored and appreciated with every new day. Watch as chickens patrol the garden, their presence deterring pests naturally. They pluck caterpillars and chase aphids, striking a balance that keeps your garden thriving. No chemicals needed. Chickens embody a cycle of renewal. Kitchen scraps become their meals, and their waste enriches the soil, fueling the plants that feed them in return. Chickens are more than just livestock. They're companions with unique personalities and surprising intelligence. From the gentle mother hen who carefully watches over her chicks, to the proud rooster who greets each sunrise, their presence brings warmth and joy to our lives. Watching their playful antics and unique quirks reminds us to appreciate the beauty in everyday moments. They teach us about patience, care, and the simple pleasures that come from connecting with the animals around us. For children, the chicken coop is a living classroom. Daily care teaches responsibility and empathy, forging a lasting bond with the natural world. Chicken manure is a gardener's gold. Rich in nutrients, it transforms soil, fueling abundant harvests and closing the loop of sustainability. Chickens turn leftovers into sustenance. Their appetites help reduce food waste, showing us the value in what we might otherwise discard. Gathering eggs from your own backyard is a taste of true self-sufficiency. It's a step toward independence and a more sustainable future. Chickens offer a window into animal behavior. Their social dynamics and daily routines reveal new wonders and opportunities for learning. The economic benefits are real. Homegrown eggs and natural pest control make for a more frugal, fulfilling lifestyle. Caring for chickens brings peace and calm. Their gentle rhythms and soft clucking create a sanctuary from the chaos of daily life. Sharing fresh eggs with neighbors builds community. Chickens foster connection, reminding us we're part of something larger. Each chicken has its own personality. Getting to know them reveals the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Chickens draw us back to nature's rhythms. Their routines help us notice the changing seasons and our place in the world. Backyard chickens help preserve genetic diversity. Raising heritage breeds supports biodiversity and strengthens local ecosystems. Our journey with backyard chickens may end here, but yours can begin now. Imagine the simple joys of gathering eggs each morning, the laughter of children as they watch hens explore, and the peaceful moments spent outdoors. Take the first step. Open your heart and backyard to the possibilities. With every gentle cluck and every sunrise, you'll discover new wonders. May the gentle clucking of hens and the glow of fresh eggs fill your days with wonder, connection, and a sense of home.